Shefali, this is your lassi. Neha, charge for you.
Thank you.
Oh, wow. That's a tiny roti.
Pari made it.
I see. Really cute. Can I eat this one?
Of course.
Thank you.
Poor guy. I will eat lunch with all of you today. Sit, please. Sit.
Come on, join up the tables.
Didn't you bring your lunch?
No, sir.
Poor guy. Homemade food. Help yourselves.
Thank you, sir. We have brought our lunches.
Okay, fine. Have it.
You have some of this.
No, thanks. Did you see that? The poor guy is having a nice lunch.
What is it?
No,
What is the matter?
no, nothing's wrong. I'll eat.
Water. Is there water?
Thank you.
Too spicy?
No.
You take care of him like that? You are his friend, right?
Grandpa, I'm his friend, not his wife.
Uncle Bandu, when will the helicopter fly?
My child, there is just a little more to do, okay? I will fly tomorrow. Tomorrow for sure. Huh?
Oh, when will you stop this madness?
Pari!
Mom!
My sweet, good child. Mwah. You didn't trouble anyone,
No.
did you? Are you sure? Good girl.
She never troubles us, okay? But her troubles are dealt with by my husband. Do you see how much of a mess he's created?
Aunt, I've got vegetables. I got greens, fresh fenugreek and eggplant.
Why did you get it?
I was buying some for myself anyway. So I thought I would buy eggplant for you and greens for uncle.
Okay, fine. Listen, I'm glad I remembered. Your sister-in-law has been to the house a couple of times. She came and asked me here as well. She said there's a proposal for you.
Neha, and there is no problem if you decide to remarry. Huh? You have had one bad experience, but don't think that it will happen again.
I agree. Listen, we think of you as you think of Pari. You are too young to live alone. Pari was asking me whether I have seen her dad. She must be seeing other kids with their dads, right? So she's missing her dad too.
Aunt, I understand your concerns. But sometimes it's okay having a stepmom. But to have a stepfather, and that too for a girl,
Don't worry about it. God is with you.
I'll leave now.
Okay.
Let's go, dear. Here's your bag. Let's go.
Come over tomorrow, my dear.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye.
Mom, you won't leave me and go away.
What is it, dear? Why are you asking me like that?
I heard it just now. You'll get married and go away, right?
No, dear. I won't go.
I don't want a dad. Don't leave me and go away too. Dad has gone away and left us too, right? I feel scared to live alone.
No, my dear. I won't leave you and go away ever. Nobody can get between the two of us ever. Do you understand? Never. Promise. Let's go. Let's go, dear. Come on in. Come. Sit, let me cook you something at once. Okay, let's go.
Are you back home? Hey you, is your mom at home?
Sister-in-law, please come in.
Just asked a question, she won't even speak. What's going on? I have been around 4 or 5 times since morning. What's keeping you so busy at the office? I mean, are they paying you extra for overtime? Did Mrs. Naik give you my message?
She told me. Come and sit. Sit.
Oh dear. You're an advocate and too busy to inquire about us. But I'm worried about you since I'm your sister-in-law. But let me be candid, Neha. Coming all the way to your house is actually a pain. Get onto a train and trudge all the way here. I have to pay the rickshaw driver 100 rupees to get here from the station. Give me some water at least.
Yes, I'll give it.
Give me some tea too. Grate some ginger into it.
Okay.
Wow. You got vegetables. The fenugreek greens are so fresh.
Mom, I'm hungry.
Give me 5 minutes, dear. I'll make something.
Hey, come here. Come. So rude. Your daughter seems to despise coming close to me. I wonder why. Forget about it. Your brother is not working, so I have to handle everything. Listen to me. I have found you the best proposal ever. They were waiting with me all the day for you to get home.
What is this? You should have called once. You can't bring any random person home directly.
Is anyone home?
Pranch Bey? Pranch Bey? Oh, yeah, come in. Sit down.
Shoes?
It's okay, bring them in. Keep them on. Feel at home. Sit. Neha? Neha, this is Mr. Pranch Bey. He's a reputed lawyer. What are you staring at? Get some water. Come on. Cook some kande pohe. We'll have a formal meet and greet. Sit down, please. What do you have to look at? He's not going to ignore what I say.
Sister-in-law, please come in. I need to talk to you.
You can speak to me right here. He's like family. He knows everything. Your husband abandoned you when you were pregnant. I told him about it. I told him. Don't worry about it. He's aware of everything about Pari. That's why he's willing to accept you with Pari. So far, he hasn't been married even once. He's unmarried. He's single.
Can we go in?
To be honest, you would have to look out only for a widower. But Mr. Paranjpe is generous, and so he's ready. Just say yes to him for once. Listen to me. Your brother is useless anyway. I will have to do everything anyhow.
Sister-in-law, I have told you so many times I won't marry. No matter what, I don't want to include anyone between me and Pari. We are happy with each other. Sorry if you have been troubled. Sister-in-law has misunderstood. I don't want to get married.
Have you lost your mind or what? You don't want to get married? Then what do you want to do? Your husband has run away after cheating everyone. You know how much money you owe, right? Huh? You know that, right? Even this house will someday...
Hey, sister-in-law. What are you saying? To be honest, if she's not keen, you shouldn't have lied to bring me here. And listen, you can force a marriage, but not love. Think of that little girl at least. In her presence, you're telling her mother... Miss Neha, I'll say sorry to you. If I had any idea about this, then I would have never come here. Hey dear, I've got some chocolates for you. Don't be scared. Take it.
Pari,
Let it be. It's okay. She's scared. Listen, dear. I'll keep it here, okay? Eat it later, okay? I'll leave now.
Mr. Paranjpe, listen to me, please. Please. You can't stand to be helped, can you? Neha, listen to me. You are making a mistake by rejecting him. My day has been a waste because of you. When do I go to the market? Huh? When do I get the vegetables? I am leaving with these vegetables at once. Okay? I will bring this bag back the next time I visit. These kind of proposals are rare. Do you get it? Think over it. Don't you know how people look at a single woman here? And you have a daughter. In future, people will regard her as
sister-in-law.
Mr. Pranjpe, listen to me, please. This wedding will take place no matter what.
But how can it happen without her consent?
I took the money from you, right? Buy the wedding headgear and get a safari suit tailored. Nah, don't you worry at all. Can I leave? Rickshaw? Hey, Rickshaw. Yeah. Can you give me a small change of 100 rupees? These guys don't keep change.
Tell him who I am. He'll drop you for free.
The lawyer thinks he's too smart. Let's go. You don't want to get married? Then what do you want to do? Your husband has run away after cheating everyone. You know how much money you owe, right? Think over it. Don't you know how people look at a single woman here? And you have a daughter.
Mom, can we eat? I will faint if I don't eat, you know? I have diabetes, right? You will have to take me to the doctor, right? Then they will ask for money.
Sorry, dear. Sit. Come and sit, dear. Sorry, I almost forgot to feed you, right? Sorry, dear.
It's okay. Open your mouth.
Pari, come on, we are getting late. What is this now?
A special roast for my special friend.
Why are you making chapati for him?
Why are you making a roti for him? If my friend feels he must do something for me, then I must think of him too, right? He's so nice.
Is it? Even nicer than me?
Yes.
What? Go away. I won't speak to you now.
You are nice too.
Yes, sweetheart, let's go. We are getting late now. Let's hurry, let's go. Come on, dear.
Excuse me, engineer.
Yes?
Are you done making that helicopter? Now what?
Washing machine.
A washing machine?
You've been saying you want a washing machine since so long.
It's going to be done at home.
Are you using the fan blades to create the washing machine? Who has ever done anything like that? Now listen to me. Keep it in front of Ganapati and sit down in it.
Pari, this is all your fault.
Hey, don't scold my Pari, please.
Pari, come here. Do you know what will I make with this? A washing machine. Huh?
Uncle, I have to leave. Bye, Pari.
Bye.
Bye, dear.
Bye.
Listen, will you please give me... Now, why have you put the mixer up on top? I need it right now.
What do you need it for? Huh? Use the grinding stone. It will be a good exercise for you. I mean, it will be much more tastier.
Oh, forget it.
Good morning, good morning.
Good morning.
When did you get in?
I came in sharp at 9 a.m. I don't like to come in late and all that.
Are you married?
Sorry?
Are you married?
Me? No, I'm not. Why?
Even if you're married, how would that help? Men get everything handed out to you, right? The wife or the mother hands over a home-cooked food, you carry that and take it to the office. You won't know the sorrows of working women. When the wife goes to the office, does the husband give her a tiffin? We have to clean up the house and then leave for the office. Besides, we run for the bus. We have fights over small change every single day. Then we come to the office and work all day. If we are even slightly late, then we get scolded by the boss when we get to the office. On the way back on the train itself, we do half the household chores. When we get back home, we have our kids to look after. What do you care? Here you are. Your tiffin.
Yeah.
Your friend sent it. Hey, be careful. It's got
Okay.
oil in it. Not here.
I was wondering why I didn't get a tiffin. Did Pari forget?
Why? Can't she forget?
Never.
I told her. Why work so hard for nothing? She makes any random person her friend.
What?